YouTuber Tyler Oliveira filmed his own police encounter. Did he incriminate himself? Or did he handle himself well and exercise his rights? What do you think? Let's find out. Watch the full body cam, then stay for the breakdown at the end.
Hi, man.
How you doing?
Good. Franklin and East.
Am I being detained?
Right now, you're just being issued a trespass from 210 South Fort Harrison. Okay?
Sure.
So if you return to 210 South Fort Harrison, you'll be arrested for trespass-after-warning, okay? Do you mind giving me your information?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
No idea.
Okay, can I get your name and date of birth?
Yes.
Okay.
My name is Tyler. I prefer not to self-identify beyond the first name.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
What was your date of birth again? Okay, do you have a good phone number?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
What about your address? Do you mind giving me that?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, just keep in mind, if you go back to 210 South Fort Harrison, you'll be arrested for trespass after warning, okay?
Where's the property line?
The property line?
Yeah.
It's anywhere
So
past the sidewalk.
They voluntarily let me in all occasions.
Okay.
I've been let into every building I've entered.
Okay, that's fine.
So I just need to know where the property line is so I don't go walking on the sidewalk and end up spending the night in jail, you know?
Oh, as long as you're on the sidewalk, you're good to go.
Amazing.
428, do we have a liaison from the church?
Liaison.
Yeah, they were the ones that called this in.
Very anxious they are. Are you guys members?
Alright, well, they're the complainant, so we need to have them talk to them.
Appreciate that. Thank you guys.
Yeah. How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just a happy
What's
member of
that?
Scientology.
Yeah, well, I mean, if they're wanting to talk to him, then this is...
Is that you?
That's me.
That's cool.
Yeah, I got lucky.
I like that. No, that's a cool
Yeah.
cool whip right there.
Yeah.
You guys snatch it from a bad guy?
No, so we use
Okay.
it to pull the boat sometimes.
That's cool.
And then whenever we do rescues and stuff like that, you know, we'll use that. It's just temporary for now.
Understood. What are your thoughts on Scientology?
You know, that's not my job to have any kind of opinion on that.
Good answer.
Okay.
Fair enough.
I'm here to make sure that everybody can live together peacefully
Fair.
and everybody's heard and everybody's rights are respected.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
You from here?
Maybe.
Well, you were asking questions. I figured I'd ask one.
True. That's the nature of the police officer's job, I suppose.
Yeah.
Collect that evidence.
That wasn't evidence. I was just asking you that out of just pure conversation.
I've lived here in another life.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
One of my many. Am I good to walk away or what?
I'm not detaining you.
Okay, cool. I'll give you a fist bump.
All right.
Thanks again.
All right.
This guy's legit. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. He asked, he said, you know, am I free to leave? Like, I said, I'm not detaining you.
Yeah, that's okay.
So I've already advised the major what we're doing. If they call, you know, we'll respond to wherever they are. Did you get that guy's information?
Tyler, and give me a date of birth.
Okay. Just that was it.
Yep.
Street trying to hit me, it looked like. How you guys doing? Are we good?
This is private property. 215 South Fort Harrison, 210 South Fort Harrison is private property. So if you come back again, we're going to call the police so you get it. Okay?
I don't speak English.
Okay.
Can he say it in Spanish?
He can translate for you in Spanish if you'd like.
I'll spare you. Have a good day, guys. He's trying to hit me.
Okay.
Do they run the show?
What's that?
Do they run the show?
I have no idea. I'm not with the church.
Do you
Okay.
guys do off-duty with the church?
Do we do off duties?
Yeah.
We have off duties with them.
No conflict of interest?
That's what the city does. So that's not part of what my job is. How they decide who gets off duties. That's a private contract. So Do you understand everything that they said, or do you need
Mostly.
it? He can translate it in Spanish if you need to.
Sure, I'll take it.
210 and 215.
Okay. So estás siendo traspasado de 210 y 215 South Harrison. ¿Entendido?
Yo entiendo. Gracias, señor.
De nada.
Adios.
Okay.
No.
You can light it up now.
That's how you handle a police encounter. Let's break down everything Tyler did right. 1. He asked, "Am I free to leave?" The officer answered, "I'm not detaining you." That's the textbook question. It cleanly establishes whether you're under arrest, detained, or free to go. Use it every time. 2. Tyler limited what he told the officer. He gave only his first name and date of birth, and politely declined when asked for his phone number and address. In Florida, when you're not under arrest and not detained on suspicion of crime, you're not required to give more than your name. 3. He asked the officer where the property line was. Sharp move. Once a trespass warning is issued, returning is criminal trespass. Knowing the exact boundary protects you. 4. He stayed calm and respectful. No yelling, no profanity, no lecturing the officer about the law. He let the officer do their job and walked away with, "Have a good day, guys." 5. He never argued the law on the curb. Officers enforce. Courts interpret. The legal argument, if there is one, belongs in court, not on the sidewalk. Tyler's encounter is a textbook example. He protected his rights without escalating. That's the goal, every time. Tyler knew his rights. That's the difference between a textbook encounter and an arrest. Constitutional rights only protect you when you actually know them and how to use them. CivicShield equips every American with clear, sourced answers on the Constitution and federal law. Try CivicShield free for 5 days by downloading it at CivicShieldApp.com. Link in the description. Educational purposes only, not legal advice. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. We appreciate your support.